Hello everyone. So once you are done with the installation of the XAMPP control panel, okay. So here you all can see I have a screenshot of this XAMPP control panel, okay, in which I have given some numbering also. This is my first part, okay, and this port and action is my second part, that is this one, and my third part will be config, shell, explorer, etc. And this will be my fourth part. So we'll discuss the meaning of each and every part. Like what is the meaning of the first part? This section lists the installed services, modules, and process IDs or PIDs. You can say this one. So all the services, all the modules, and all the process IDs. The second one is the ports and action. That means here you will find the port number, start, stop, admin, configuration, logs, and everything. So this section shows the ports associated with the modules, starting and stopping the modules, open the administrative windows, open the configuration files for Apache MySQL, and view the log files. That is the section number 2. Then coming to the section number 3, this one, that is the config, netstat, shell, explorer, etc. So this section contains the useful utilities such as like Windows services, shortcuts, netset, etc. And the last one, that is the fourth one, that is this part, okay. So what is the meaning of this fourth one? It will display status information on the modules. The control panel can be used to install and uninstall services such as Apache, MySQL that are installed via XAMPP. Then also start and stop services, open the configuration file, etc. So you will find all these things over here. I have minimized my this control panel over here. If you want, you can start also like this. So you will find green color, PID, port number. If you want, you can start the MySQL also something like this. Once it is started, it is running, then you can click on this admin also, and you will find this kind of panel, PHP my admin. Then suppose you want to check Apache admin, that also you can check, okay. And suppose you want to check this Tomcat, then start that also. And you can check the admin section of that also. So it will take some time, just wait for 1 minute. It is attempting to start Tomcat. Yeah, started. So you will find process ID, port number, all these things you will find, and click on this admin again. You will find this Apache Tomcat. See everything. So that is all about the introduction and overview for this XAMPP control panel, where we have Apache, MySQL, and if you want, you can install this services also if required. Otherwise, you can use Apache and MySQL. So that is all about right now for XAMPP control panel. Thank you, everyone.